Hey, welcome to the Data Zeitgeist show. Today we're going to see how gay marriage is received and accepted or not accepted by people with different political biases.
Hey babe, that's kind of weird, but I can't even believe I'm doing this. Anyways, I made this video for you while I was over here, and I put a lot of work into it, so I really hope you like it. You know, being away has really made me think about us, and how much I really miss every little thing about you. I miss watching you pretend you have a cooking show, and watching you get ready for work every morning. I love when you hold my hand in public, even if you feel nervous. And I love when you gently kiss my neck, just because you felt like it. There are so many things I love about you that I just can't imagine ever being without you. I wanted you to know that right after I left, I made a goal to quit smoking. And I did it because I want to make sure I'm around and healthy enough to enjoy being with you, well, forever. So I made this video because there's something I want to ask you. So I did it. I'm smoke free. So now I can finally ask you. Will you be my man? Forever?
As usual, we use facial expressions to track the real-time emotions of each audience member. So, let's begin here. So keep in mind, each one of our participants in the focus group has had to fill out a political survey question where we essentially ask them questions such as, should the death penalty exist? Should your country raise taxes on the rich? Should teachers be allowed to carry guns in school? You know, just a whole subset of politically charged questions. And by tracking their responses, we can categorize them into their left-wing or right-wing personal biases. Now I want to analyze this exact moment here coming up because this is the point in time when the audience is made aware that this is a commercial for a homosexual marriage rather than just a heterosexual one. So I want to see how people's emotions of happiness and fear are, disgust. Fear and disgust, very diametrically opposed emotions. So to begin, let's take a look at how people with an authoritative perspective who happens to be right-wing react to this particular video. So it becomes clear that the moment in time where I'm gonna play it right now, and you'll see when you see the first gay kiss, you can see people's disgust level start to rise.
And watching you get ready for work every morning. I love when you hold my hand in public, even if you feel nervous. And I love when you gently kiss my neck, just because you felt like it.
Now, it personally seems kind of outrageous to me that people have such backdated and obsolete mentalities about social issues such as gay marriage, but we have to recognize that these are real emotions that people are feeling, and if we ever want to create better policies, a more fair and equal world, it really begins by analyzing and understanding ourselves as a society. So let's take a little bit more look at this data and see how left-wing libertarians react. So now let's reset our filters and check out how do people with a left-leaning bias and a liberal bias, how do they react? How do left-wing liberals react to gay marriage? Well, let's take a look. I mean, it's pretty clear we can see.
Watching you get ready for work every morning. I love when you hold my hand in public, even if you feel nervous. And I love when you gently kiss my neck.
So yeah, there's no real innate reflexive disgust here, and happiness levels indeed seem to rise. So a university study in 2012 by Richard Ryans in the University of Rochester concluded that people with homophobic attitudes are much more likely to be homosexuals themselves, and that the reason why they exhibit such aggression to other homosexuals is because they feel threatened, that they see people sort of enjoying themselves but maybe unaccepting of others because they can't really accept themselves. So we took this research and we broached it to our freelancers as a question. We asked them, how does this research make you feel to find out that most homophobic people are actually most likely to be homosexual? So here are the results. It's actually pretty hilarious. It seems that the majority of people find that the research is surprising, but it makes sense. They find that it's funny. 31 of our 100 or so respondents replied, "Ooh, I feel awkward." 15 of them said the research must be nonsense, and 9 of them said, "I feel very offended," so to speak. So, well, thanks for tuning to the Data Zeitgeist show. We hope that you had a fun and interesting time looking at these experimental results. Again, let us know if you have any particular topics you'd like to see us scan, and we'll see you next week on the Data Zeitgeist show.